today we're going to cook up some steaks, but we're going to do them in a deep fryer. Here is a pitchfork. Now this is a pretty simple dish. We take our ribeye steaks, nothing on them. We're going to put a steak on each of the tines, or on 3 of the tines. Is this where they got that expression? For everything there is a tine? Maybe not. We're going to take this over. Our oil is at 350 degrees, so we're going over with our pitchfork steak. What do you think we're going to do next? You're right. We're going to cook them. Now we're going to cook them for 3 minutes. So if somebody out there in the audience can give me a high sign when the 3 minutes is up, I'll lift them out. Ready, set, go. Now again, our temperature is at 350 degrees. The steaks are in there. I'm going to take this out so we don't have trouble getting it out. We stand here. Another rule of deep frying outdoors with propane, obviously you're in a well-ventilated area. You're obviously in an area where children can get to. You never leave the propane burner. Boy, that smoke is just cooking away. Just remember, somebody out there's got to tap on the set and let me know when it's 3 minutes. Smells good. This is the way to have a dinner party. I mean, pitchfork steaks, come to the table. Here's your steaks, sir. Show is everything in barbecue. There we go. Pitchfork steaks. Now we're going to plate these up later with the rest of our food. We'll let it drip a little bit.